fan, and if it's your first time visiting, be sure to subscribe and click the bell for notifications on all my new videos. So today I'm going to be doing a review for Snoop slimes. So yeah, let's get started with the video. I have my slime package right here, and it is boxed into a bubble mailer, really nice and packaged. I did order this from Snoop Slimes, if you didn't already know, but this is packaged very nicely. There's no rips in the package. It's a little bit crinkled, but I know that's not her fault, just because, you know, it's the mailing people's fault. But this is my package. So yeah, let's just get right into cutting it open. So it was fairly easy to order from the website. It was actually pretty easy to order, but shipping was very fast. You guys can have the first look. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got a trio, which it was wrapped in other bubble wrap, so that is very, very nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I have my Mango Tango. So I ordered a Mango Tango. Oh my gosh, so excited. Fruity Pebbles. Yes. Okay, and I got some extras and the Snoop Slimes thing. So let's look at all of this. So for extras, I got some Zots, and I've seen these before. I've actually eaten them. They're actually pretty good. And I have this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is actually my first ever slime package. So, okay, so this is the borax. Just get a little packet of borax and your Snoop Slimes. There's slime information and slime care instructions. And then thank you for your purchase. And then here's her Instagram and her website. And yeah, this is very, very, very nice. So I'm just going to set this stuff just over here so it's out of the way. Okay, so let's get into the slimes. So I'm first this is actually very well packaged. So I'm first going to start with the Mango Tango Foam. So this is a micro foam. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never ordered from an actual slime. Okay, so this is, oh my gosh, this is so nice. So here's Snoop Slimes logo. Okay, so it's covered in one of these little plastic things. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells like mango. Okay. Okay, it's not sticky. It's not too sticky, at least. Okay, so these are such nice containers. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it is a bit stiff, but otherwise it is super, super nice. For clear slimes are bomb. That's what people say. Okay, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so this is the foam. It's so nice. It is a little bit sticky, but like not too sticky. Okay, so it is so much more vibrant on camera. It looks like an orange, like a really good orange, but in real life it's actually more of a corally orange. So the slime has a very, very nice texture, and Yes. So nice. And it smells like mango soap. So it's not like mango, but it's like soap. So yeah, that is my mango Tango slime. So this next slime is Fruity Pebbles, I think. Yeah, and it is a best seller. So this slime comes in, I don't know what size this container is. It looks like a 6-ounce. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But this is a foam. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. Okay, so it is a clear based foam. It's kind of hard. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, it's a little bit hard to get out of the container, but otherwise, very nice. Very nice texture. Not sticky at all. This did not come sticky. Maybe a little bit. Not too much. Leaves a bit of residue, though, on my table, but that is okay. This slime is so nice. It does leave a little bit of a stickier residue, just because, you know, all slimes do that. This is so nice, and it looks exactly like Fruity Pebbles. Very crunchy, soft, very soft actually. The foam beads do not hurt your hands at all. A little bit stiff, but okay. So yeah, that is my Fruity Pebbles slime that I got from Snoop Slimes. Okay guys, so my last 3 slimes is this trio. It's kind of hard to get open, so I'm just gonna cut the tape. But it is very nicely packaged. I have the trio, so I have the foam. I think these are like 2-ounce containers. But I have the foam, the butter slime, and the clear slime. It does have a little bit of air bubbles, but that is perfectly fine. So I'm actually going to start with the foam. Okay, so they all come with this seal, which is super nice. But it comes with the seal. Sorry about any background noises. So it's a little bit hard to get out of the container. But, I mean, that happens with all foams, so that doesn't matter. So, this is a little bit sticky, but not too sticky. This is a really nice foam. It does have a little bit of a different texture than Mango Tango and Fruity Pebbles. But that's not a problem at all. See, it does leave a little bit of a sticky residue on my hands. I'm going to actually add a little bit of borax to this. So the next slime I'm going to go with is the butter slime, and I'm really excited for this one because I love butter slimes. Oh my gosh, this has such a nice texture. It's a little bit sticky. Whoa, that smells really weird. It smells like some sort of, what kind of clay does she use? It smells, it doesn't smell like Play-Doh or Daiso or Model Magic. I mean, I think she might use Model Magic because Daiso is a little bit more stretchier than Model Magic, and this one breaks, and Model Magic slime does break a little bit, just tends to break. She probably used lotion, so that's probably why it smells like, I can't even wrap my head around what it smells like, but it smells really good, so nice. I'm saving the clear for last because it's like one of my favorites. Okay, it does spread okay. It's not like the best spreading slime, but yeah. Oh, it leaves a little bit of residue on my hands, just because it's sticking to the other glue residue that was on my hands. But this is a pretty nice slime. It's not the best at poking. I mean, all butter slimes are not very good at poking. But otherwise, this is not sticky at all, and it's really nice. So guys, this is the one that I am most excited about. It is the clear slime. It did come with a little glitter on it, which is kind of weird, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really want to, some people say they're like putties, but oh my gosh, that is so clear and so putty-like. I love this. It's not sticky at the slightest bit. Oh my gosh. This is so clear. So amazing. Has air bubbles. It had just a little bit of air bubbles when it came, which, I mean, from shipping, yes, it's gonna get air bubbles. Even though the slime is more of a putty texture, it's actually pretty stretchy for a putty texture. So I'm really loving the Snoop slimes. They are so amazing. They have really nice textures, and I have these two ones, the Fruity Pebbles and the Mango Tango. They smell very good. This one smells like Fruity Pebbles, and this one smells like mango. And I just love them. So make sure to comment down below which one of these slimes were your favorites, or which slime out of the trio was your favorite. And make sure to comment down below what other slime shops I should review, or what other things I should review. So yeah, see you guys later. Goodbye!